Okay, my second example is also from exercise 3J, and it's question 6A. And it says, find the value of c such that the line with equation y equals 2x plus c is a tangent to the parabola with equation y equals x squared plus 3x. Let's first look at what we actually need to do. So our questioning words are find the value of c. So we have to work out what c is. And then we've got this other word in here, which is tangent. 2x plus c is a tangent to the parabola. So if you're not sure what a tangent is, I'll draw a really quick sketch here. The graph of y equals x squared plus 3x is a parabola that will have the intercepts at 0 and -3. And a tangent line is a line that crosses that just once. So it's going to only just touch the graph. So it might be a point here, for example, so that my linear line comes along, just hits that graph once, and then keeps going. So a tangent line represents the curve at a single point. But the key thing here is that it touches once. So that means that there is only one solution. So when we put all of that together, we need to find the value of c when there is one solution. So find c when there is one solution. And then that starts me thinking about, well, what maths can I use? The maths that I can use that tells me how many solutions is we need the discriminant b squared minus 4ac to equal 0. Okay, so let's start by finding out an equation that we can use to for the discriminant. We already have a y equals for the linear part and a y equals for the quadratic part. So let's start with my two equations. Call that equation 1. And then x squared plus 3x, that is equation 2. And when equation 1 is equal to equation 2, we get 2x plus c equals x squared plus 3x. Now I'm going to move everything to the same side of the equal sign, and I got 0 equals x squared plus x minus c. And here's my quadratic equation that I can use in the discriminant. We want it to have one solution. Let's write in our coefficients here. And then this is my coefficient for c. The number that I'm going to use is actually just c. So I bring in some algebra. So I want b squared minus 4ac to equal 0. So b is 1, a is 1, and c is -c. And that has to equal 0. So 1 squared plus 4c has to equal 0. So then, 4c must equal -1. C must equal -1/4. So I've found a value for c that has only one solution because the discriminant is equal to 0.